in time. It's easy to blow up if you got a lot of video.
All white, 2-door SS Monte Carlo. And I got 90 racks stacked at the condo. And I rock off-white sneakers like Aldo. Police with me over, I told them I don't know. Black and white tuxedo look like piano. Yellow bone, live on a 9 by commercial. Hope you don't run up my 9, gon' hurt you. Percocet 15, I took it, I'm dizzy. She choosing, I'm picking. Can't fuck if it's fishy, I got a new boo and she yellow.
Damn, that nigga cut me out that bitch.
I'm gonna turn this bitch right back around. What's good, man? A lot of people ask me, man, what's some motivation for smaller creators, man?
Ty.
Man, listen, we got DDG in the building. He's giving me some motivation. Young Chart, you ain't gonna clap?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I might as well just talk about some motivation. I'm gonna go ahead and move this over. Charlie, you down to talk about some motivation?
Yeah, bro.
At this point, fuck it.
You trying to cut on me, money? Shit. But this heading got me hot! You're just moving too quick. Just moving too quick. Alright, we slow down a little bit? Yeah, we probably just probably hold hands and some shit first. Well, we haven't held hands yet? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Turn your scoot in a little bit. Or should I scoot this bitch back? So.
You don't cut none of this out. Yeah, Ty said the camera up and shit.
You did.
It's 4 of us. It's Chart, me, the wall, and Ty.
Yeah, man. What's up to the wall? That shit is funny. Anyways, man, I'm here to talk to you guys about some motivation, bro. Like, literally, all of us started off at 0,000 subscribers.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Chart, how was it when you got your first 1,000 subscribers?
You know what's crazy, bro?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I had 1,000 subscribers when I was like 12 years old. You know, I had my YouTube page for like 10 years. If you look at the day my shit was created, it's like 2007, bro.
For real?
Yeah. This is old, bro.
So, what's
like,
up?
look. Bro, you know I was getting views back. Like, I'm about to show you some crazy shit, bro. I don't think any of y'all niggas know this shit.
I know that you famous on Vine.
Like, this is even before Vine, bro. Like,
Dang.
like, I'm talking about, like, nigga, like, this shit is some old shit, nigga. Like, nigga, like, 5 years, 6 years ago type shit. But while I'm looking for it, you can talk about it. But when I hit my first 1,000, nigga, I remember I was really fucking young, bro. Look. 6 years ago, I made a dribbling video, 4.2K views. 6 years ago, shit Somali parents say 31K. Shit people said, well, that was 6 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Cinnamon challenge, 72K views. 6
young,
years ago.
shit hard. Was your name Black Charcoal back then?
Yeah, my channel ain't never changed, bro. It was always
Bro.
the same. Yeah.
Black Charcoal?
Yeah, it was always Black Charcoal, and then I just completely stopped doing YouTube, and then Poudii hopped on YouTube and I let me hop back on this bitch. But I had 1,000 subscribers. They were dead after like I popped back on this shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean,
they literally died, huh?
Yeah, they were just like, bro, I didn't touch it for like 4 more years after that, bro.
Dang.
You know what I'm saying?
How they die?
I was just like, I mean, I had a hell of time back then. I was a little kid. Then I started high school and middle school, and I was like, man, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't need to be doing this. This is nothing. But I remember I hit 72K views 6 years ago on a video as like a 14-year-old, bro.
Dang. You was that dude.
Yeah, I was lit.
Damn.
I got like $150 off that shit.
How old are you then?
I'm 22, bro.
How the fuck was you 14?
15, 14.
8 years.
Alright.
It's okay, man.
16.
Daryl, how did you feel when you get your first 1,000 subscribers? Do you even remember getting your first 1,000 subscribers?
Yeah, I just talked to you about it.
Oh, yeah.
I had, so I was making skits first. I had 500 subscribers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Made a reaction to this thing. My first reaction was Nicki Minaj Anaconda. They had 16,000 views.
You felt like you was that dude, right?
I felt like I was like, oh, nigga, I showed my mama. I was happy. Just before I had a little small ass Nikon point and shoot.
Mm-hmm.
The highest quality was 720p. Not even HD though. You know what I'm saying? It was ability. But I used it, and I got a bunch of views on it. 16,000. Then right after that, I'm like, this reaction rate, just like everybody else thinks, reactions get views. I'm like, let me do another one. I did one to these Korean people that rap K-pop, 2 million views. Shot off, and I'm talking about, they followed me on Instagram, I was excited. You know what I'm saying? They shouted me out, put me on their Instagram, all that. I was up. I went from 500 to 20,000, so I had a big jump. I don't remember hitting 1,000 because after I got 2 million views on that, I was up.
So when you hit that 20,000, how'd you feel then?
I feel like I was that guy. Like,
For real?
I was walking around school, like,
I got 20,000 on the till.
yeah, man. And then I tried Vine. I fell off because I posted a Vine of this big girl playing with herself with a toothbrush. And I acted like I was on FaceTime with her. Fell off. But I had one viral Vine.
You did?
I acted like I was on FaceTime with this homeless girl and her teeth was gone, so I was doing like this. And that shit had 4 million loops.
Dang.
And I thought I was that guy. And then my channel my Vine page got restricted, so I hopped back on YouTube full time. And I blew the fuck up.
Word. Damn.
Vine was lit, right?
Vine was the best app ever created.
Bro, you know I have a Vine that has like 60 million loops.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I think I remember. Is it the which one? Which one? No, you was popping on Vine, low key.
Yeah, I was really doing my thing on. Bro, in high school, I feel like I was that nigga. You know what I'm saying? And then I remember me and Poudii started doing Vines together, and this nigga just started blowing up. You know what I'm saying? But Vine was lit, and the one that had like 60 million, I think it had like 40 million loops. I mean, no cap. It was 60 million loops in general, but it was the one in the car. I was like, bro, it was so simple. I
dropped the top of my wheel.
Yeah. Then I had a Vine where I got slapped. I think that did like.
No, that was popping on Twitter too.
Yeah. Vine was lit, bro.
Let me
And
tell
then I
you.
had the other, my fault. And then I had this one series going on Vine where it's like how ugly girls talk. I don't know if y'all know what that is.
I think I saw it. You showed me.
Showed me
It
this.
was like, yeah. But
Let me tell y'all how I felt when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I felt like I was that fucking noob. Like,
Recorded, dude.
no, not 1,000. I recorded 10,000. Yeah. When I hit 1,000, I felt like, yeah, these YouTubers gonna take me serious now. You know what I'm saying?
But they taking you serious now.
Yeah, that's how I felt. Like, it's 1,000. I was like, damn. You know what I'm saying? That's 1,000
You
subscribers.
was a
bro.
real fucking nigga.
Yeah, I was a real fucking nigga. And then I hit that 5,000. And then I was like, damn, I remember when I hit 1,000. Then I hit that 10,000. When I hit 10,000, I felt like I hit 1,000,000. Like I had double digits and shit. You know what I'm saying? I felt like I was that fucking nigga.
Nah.
Oh, wait. Then I hit 50,000. And then once I hit 80,000,
100,000.
I got 100,000.
I met you when you had like what?
It's like 3.5.
So basically, we should get back to the subject. Basically, if you're a small YouTuber right now, you don't have a lot of subscribers, just know it's going to come. It happens with hard work and creativity. If you're like everybody else, you're not going to get nowhere. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, there was a point in time where I had 0 subscribers. No one knew who I was.
Yeah, same here.
Everybody starts at 0. Now I got millions. You know why? Because I put the work in, the time and effort, and the creativity.
Chuck, how do you think you're going to feel when you touch a meal?
You probably have to beat your meat. For real.
Bro, honestly, I would probably dead ass cry, bro.
Do you plan? Hey, Poudii, you can turn it down a little bit.
You said that was something.
Poudii! Turn that down, nigga. Nah, but like a million, bro, is like, cause a million's always like something I always like, you know what I'm saying? Like when I was on Vine, damn, I want to hit 1 million followers on Vine. You know what I'm saying? Then Vine died. But then when I first started YouTube for a long time, I was like, damn, 1 million followers on YouTube gonna be dope.
Million followers on YouTube, aside from Vine, not only does it mean if you got 1 million subscribers, but you also got a lot of fucking money.
Yeah.
Sure. Like, I feel like for you, bro, and I would say this with the camera off too, you can take over the damn Somalian community, bro. You can really be a leader, bro.
Exactly.
Imagine touching 1 million, bro. Having a whole Somali community, bro.
Then you do a meetup in Somalia.
Like that, Shark, do you know how lit that would be?
That would do it. That'd be pretty lit, bro.
You know what I'm saying? You could be an inspiration. Everything.
Bro, that would be ridiculous.
You gotta Egypt sell out a venue with 10,000 people, bro. Charge
I can personally see it.
I'll be making international
$40 a head. You up.
Bro.
It's 400 racks.
Yeah, that's crazy. I never thought about it like that, but yeah, it's crazy.
I want to be a inspiration. I just want to, bro. I watch Casey Neistat and be like, dang, this dude got millions of followers. He vlogs every day, and it's quality vlogs.
Yeah, that was at a point my favorite YouTuber ever.
For real?
My favorite YouTuber is Poudii too.
Really?
Yeah, I used to watch that nigga every day, nigga. It was to a point where it was like a fucking TV show. Literally every single day I watched this nigga video.
It was crazy to me too.
For a
That's
solid.
the favorite YouTuber?
No, not my favorite, but I used to watch him. Dose of Foods, nigga.
Yeah, bro. I'm talking about literally every single day. I'm talking about I would come home, grab some cereal, set my fucking phone up, and watch this shit.
Like, green tea is just.
This is green tea. It's just green tea. You know what I'm saying? Like, I used to watch that nigga every day.
I used to watch, and I still do, For Y'all ENT. Their creativity is amazing.
Yeah, shit up there for
You
sure.
know what I'm saying? They don't post no more though.
Yeah, they post once every 3 months. So make sure if you're watching this, Trey and James, y'all niggas need to post fuck content, boy.
No cap.
But other than that, since we on the
Stay motivated, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
All those people that we watched every day is because they worked.
Man, they put the work in, man.
Work in, so we was able to find them. People can't find you if you don't put the work in.
Yeah.
So for all you people that's out there small and shit like that, I'm just giving y'all this advice. They don't know you yet, so you got to do what people are already searching. So if people searching up, like they was searching up diss tracks, I started doing diss tracks. Fuck around, got 10 million on one of them. You know what I'm saying? So people, you got to see what everybody else is searching up and what's popping. Do it. Copy somebody if you need to. Put your own little spin on it, and then